T-Mobile BYOD, or Bring Your Own Device, lets you use your unlocked smartphone, tablet, or other compatible device on T-Mobile's network in the USA. It offers flexibility, cost savings, and reduces electronic waste compared to buying a new device from T-Mobile. As of March 2026, T-Mobile is a leader in BYOD adoption with streamlined digital processes and broad device support. This video will guide you through activating your device. To use your device on T-Mobile's network, it must be unlocked from your previous carrier, like Verizon or AT&T. It also needs to support T-Mobile's LTE and 5G bands, that's bands 12, 13, and 66 for LTE, and N41 and N71 for 5G. Finally, you'll need the device's IMEI number, which you can check for compatibility using T-Mobile's online IMEI checker tool. Popular compatible devices include iPhone 12 and newer, Samsung Galaxy S21 and newer, and Google Pixel 5 and newer. The activation process primarily happens online or through the My T-Mobile app. First, verify your device's eligibility using its IMEI on T-Mobile's website or app. Next, choose a T-Mobile plan, either prepaid or postpaid, and obtain a SIM card or an eSIM. Most newer devices now use eSIM, which can be activated by scanning a QR code. Physical SIM cards can be ordered online or picked up at a T-Mobile store. Activation typically takes 5 to 30 minutes. Once you have your SIM or eSIM, insert it into your device or scan the eSIM QR code. Then, activate your device via the My T-Mobile app or T-Mobile's website. You'll need a T-Mobile account to complete the activation. Activation fees are often waived, depending on the plan. For tablets or hotspots, you might need to configure APN settings using apn.tmobile.com. A common issue users face is seeing no network bars after activating their device on T-Mobile. This usually indicates a connection problem that can be easily fixed. In this case, double-check your access point name or APN settings. These settings tell your device how to connect to T-Mobile's network. Make sure they're correctly configured to apn.tmobile.com. If you experience activation failures, another troubleshooting step is to reset your device's network settings. This clears any incorrect configurations and allows a fresh start. If these steps don't resolve the issue and problems persist, reach out to T-Mobile customer service for personalized assistance. They can help diagnose and fix more complex activation problems. Remember, for security reasons, T-Mobile verifies that devices are not reported as stolen using their IMEI database. Only non-stolen, unlocked devices can be activated successfully. T-Mobile has fully embraced eSIM technology, allowing for faster and more convenient activations. By 2027, it's expected that eSIMs will cover 80% of all activations. Future trends include AI-assisted activation through chatbots and potentially biometric verification for even faster setup. Future trends include AI-assisted activation through chatbots and potentially biometric verification for even faster setup. BYOD is also expanding to wearables and IoT devices, creating a seamless activation ecosystem. BYOD offers significant cost savings for users. Many save up to $200 per year compared to using carrier-locked devices, which often come with higher monthly fees and restrictions. Beyond financial benefits, BYOD promotes sustainability by reducing electronic waste. Instead of discarding old devices, users can bring their own compatible phones to T-Mobile. T-Mobile has partnered with the EPA to encourage device recycling and promote BYOD adoption. This collaboration aims to increase BYOD usage by 30% by 2028, contributing to a more sustainable future. Telecom analysts praise T-Mobile's BYOD program for democratizing access to mobile services. Craig Moffett from Bernstein Research calls it a game changer for budget-conscious consumers, reducing carrier monopoly. Security expert Bruce Schneier notes potential risks from non-carrier devices, but supports T-Mobile's strong encryption standards. As of 2026, T-Mobile holds the largest market share in unlocked device activations in the U.S., with 45% compared to Verizon's 35%. This commitment to open networks positions T-Mobile as a leader in the growing BYOD trend.